In this video, I'm going to show you how to give Robux to your friends in 2025. For part 1, this is the friend receiving Robux. Open Roblox in your browser, log in and click the Create tab at the top of the screen. You should see a default place under My Creations. Click it. Click on Monetization in the sidebar, then select Passes. You can upload any image or leave it as it is. Name it something like Robux. Then create pass. Now on your new pass, go to Sales, toggle Item for Sale on, set the price like 100 Robux. There is original pricing. Then click Save Changes once done. Now, for the part 2, for the friend that was sending Robux, click the profile picture of your friend, then go one of his creations, then click Store. Now, click the Robux, it'll take you to their Game Pass page. This is what it looks like. Make sure the creator's name is your friend's. This is how you confirm you're sending Robux to the right person. Click the buy button and confirm your purchase. And that's it. Your friend will now get the Robux after a short pending period due to Roblox system. So that's how you give Robux in 2025 without using a group. Super simple and safe.